Our biggest dream is to perform around the world at makapag-inspire ng maraming tao gamit yung talento namin.
So moving and magical. It's just amazing.
Masayang-masaya po kami kasi nakakuha po kami ng 2 golden buzzers. All our hardships were paid up.
You are straight through to the grand final.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi po kami makapaniwala na ganito kalayo ang mararating namin. Para kaming nasa Cloud9 na sobrang saya. Napakalaking karangalan po kung mananalo po kami dito sa Asia's Got Talent.
As entertainers, if we can raise awareness on a subject that really matters, that makes our job more noble.
Mas marami pong naka-appreciate, kaya po napakasarap po sa pakaramdam na mas makilala pa. Sobra po kaming nagpapasalamat sa Asia's Got Talent.
Asia, it's time to find out how you voted. El Gama Penumbra!
We just won Asia's Got Talent, and we were just very, very, very happy for being the first Asia's Got Talent grand winner. Until now, that we became the first grand winner of Asia's Got Talent. This is really awesome. This is really amazing. This is a dream come true, and this is the highlight of our career. Not only in our career, but in our lives. Lahat naman po tayo may pangarap. Kami po, nagsimula kami sa wala. Talagang nagsikap lang po kami, nagtulong-tulong, dream big, and then pag sumikapan mo, pagpursigihan mo, at the end of the day, darating yung time mo na ma-achieve mo yung pangarap mong yun.